Creating a basic Instagram marketing post or product teaser. Hey there everybody! Now that you've found the best hashtags for your business and topics for your content, it is time to create your first marketing post. When creating an Instagram marketing post, the idea is to share content that is casual enough to generate engagement, but that also creates awareness about your brand or about one of your products or services. In this lesson, we're going to walk you through an example where we create a marketing post designed to promote a product we sell by asking our audience a casual question to encourage engagement. Getting started. To create a post, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon in the Actions menu. Next, you have to select what type of media you use on your post, photo or video. We highly recommend you to take your product pictures or videos before you create your posts, and then to tap on Library to add your media. This will give you time to produce better visuals for your posts. In this case, we're going to select the picture of a cool upcoming product that will sell as merchandising. Once you select your media, tap on Next to continue. After selecting your media, you will be prompted to edit it. Instagram offers you a nice variety of editing tools to enhance the visual impact of your images and videos. Here you can start by selecting from different color filters to give your media a different look and feel. Then you can tap on Edit to further adjust some values such as brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, shadows, and much more. Once you are done editing your media, tap on Next to continue. Creating your post. Now it is time to create your marketing post. Let's start by composing the caption that will appear on the post. The secret behind composing an engaging caption that encourages people to interact with your account is either to write about a topic that your audience is sensitive to, such as a pain point or a hot take, or to include an actionable element, such as a question. Questions are great because they're the easiest way to trigger interactions. By asking a simple question related to the product or topic in your post, you'll be encouraging people to comment and share your content. This is important because generating engagement organically is the best way to grow your account and increase its relevance. So, let's open up this caption with a question, asking users how they would use the product that we are promoting in the post. This is an indirect way to advertise the product and its benefits, by directly asking potential customers about uses for it. Once you compose this caption, you have to add your hashtags. Now, when it comes to adding hashtags to a post, you will not need to add every hashtag in your niche, but only hashtags that are directly related to your post. While Instagram lets you add up to 30 hashtags in a single post, we've found the optimal number to be 5 hashtags or less, though it is a good idea to try for yourself and add up to 15 hashtags across different posts. Then you can check which post got the highest engagement to determine your optimal number of hashtags per post. We're now done creating this post, and there are a number of settings we can adjust before publishing it. You can tap on Tag People to tag other accounts on your post. You can tap on Add Location in case you want to tag a business location on your post. And lastly, you can post to other accounts, including other Instagram accounts on your device, as well as accounts on other social platforms. Once you are ready to publish your post, read your caption to proofread for spelling errors or missing content. Then tap on Share. Your post will be posted right away to your account, and now your followers will be able to see it and interact with it, as well as people using the hashtags in your post to find content that is relevant to them. And that's it, my friends. Try creating up to 10 posts to fill your profile with content. Next up, we will be showing you how to advertise your new post so you can reach even more people fast.